Tesla electric vehicles, including the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X, use a specialized coolant system designed specifically for managing battery and powertrain temperatures. Maintaining the correct coolant level and type is crucial to prevent overheating, reduced efficiency, and potential warranty issues. Always use Tesla recommended pre-mixed ethylene glycol-based coolant with part number 14815-00A. Generic coolants can cause corrosion and battery degradation in Tesla's system. The coolant prevents freezing and boiling while maintaining optimal battery temperatures between 80 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum efficiency. Using incorrect coolant can reduce your vehicle's range by 10 to 20% and may void your warranty. To top up the coolant, park your Tesla on a level surface and ensure the vehicle is cool. Wait 2 to 3 hours after driving. Open the frunk and locate the coolant reservoir, a translucent plastic tank. Check the coolant level. It should be between the min and max marks. If low, slowly add pre-mixed Tesla coolant via the filler cap, avoiding overfilling. Briefly start the car to circulate the fluid. Then recheck and top off if needed. Remember to wear gloves and eye protection, as coolant is toxic. Dispose of used coolant responsibly. Check levels every 12,000 miles or annually.